In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a circle. So here you have rectangle. If you just click on rectangle, you won't get that option to change from circle to rectangle. So make sure once you select a rectangle here, you right click, and here you have rectangle, rounded rectangle tool, ellipse tool, polygon tool, and star tool, and flare tool. And you just have to click on ellipse tool, and now you can create a lot of circles. And as you can see, once you start doing that, you'll notice that it's kind of hard to create a very spheric circle, like a circle, a good circle, right? What you have to do to fix this problem is actually to hold shift when you start creating a new circle. So if I hold shift now, as you can see, it's actually a good circle, a good looking circle. So yeah, that's how you create a circle in Adobe Illustrator. And obviously now you have a lot of options with this circle. You can transform the circle in anything you want. Even if actually, by the way, even if you actually started creating a circle, and as you can see, it's squished and it doesn't have the right um, form that you want, just hold shift, just click on shift, and now it's just locked in, and now you have the circle that you want. And with the circle, you can of course you can now uh, just do a couple of things. I mean, you can if you select both of these circles and you like to unite both of the circles, you can use this tool. You can use shape builder, and you just have to draw a line, and all the lines that you see that just they were here then just disappear. Now they're combined, they are united, and now it's just one shape. And of course now this shape you can let's actually rotate this shape, and maybe we can turn this in a snowman. We can add another shape here. Now we have another shape, and we can create a very simple stick here. Now it's not the best looking stick, I know. Now press on your keyboard or hold Alt and just select the stick, press hold, and so you can duplicate. And now move the stick next part. Now select all of them, click on shape builder, so we can unite all the shapes here. Now we have only one shape, as you can see, which looks pretty good. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now, of course, you can make this way better and add more details. And you can use this sphere circle to create anything you want. There's many things you can do with a circle. Now, it's just about your imagination, how far you can go. So yeah, now thank you guys for watching. I really hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.